pi e kaontis 19 dhi yudo sir kowuok kuom chenro mar pi moketne omenda maromo bilion 40 mondo gibed kod nyalo mar chwalo pi maler e kor gwenge e kaontis go. Chenrono itimo kokalo e lek mar 2023 nyaka 2030 kendo yudo sir mar omenda kowuok e bengi mar piny mangima kod sirikal mamalo, kendo dhi konyo kembe mag pi mondo mi oting' malo chenro mag keyo pi kod duoko piny nengo mamalo mar pi. Kaluwore kod Ruth Ng'ang'a, ma en maneja maduong' e kambi mar aguch dongruok mar Water Trust Fund, chenrono biro konyo kembe mag pi e yudo omenda mondo mi gike pi e kor gwenge maende nodong' chien e chenro mokalo.
The Kenya Wash program is in 19 counties, and the utilities of those counties, which are 33 in number. The program focuses on improving the governance, the compliance of our utilities, improving the operational efficiency, and ultimately increasing or enhancing the credit worthiness of our utilities so that they can be able to access commercial financing, and they can also be able to access private capital.
If we take non-revenue water, for example, as a normal thing, then we settle on non-revenue water as being a normal thing. But if we are offering other aspects that can be able to reduce the non-revenue water through human management, that is the role that brought us here actually, that we have showcased them, we have told them what needs to happen to the human who is managing all this infrastructure to reduce non-revenue water.
So if we are able to give the WSPs and the other development agencies pipes on credit facility or infrastructure, they're able to do the projects on a timely basis, and they're able to recoup their funds.